Copy.ai recently launched a hilarious marketing campaign roasting AI SDRs, saying that if you've been injured by an AI SDR, Copy.ai will help you solve those issues with thousands of free Copy.ai credits. So why is Copy.ai hating on 11x, Artisan.co, AI SDR, and other AI sales agents? Well, I'm about to share exactly that and my honest opinion about everything. So let's begin. So Copy.ai is taking a dig at all AI SDRs, not just the ones I mentioned. Copy.ai says that AI sales agents are complete trash. Okay, maybe they didn't say that in that tone, but here's what Copy.ai said. AI can do certain sales tasks, but relying on it too much can result in generic and non-personalized outreach. The goal is to have balance between human creativity and AI efficiency, essentially keeping humans in the loop to include that very necessary human touch. According to Copy.ai, automated SDRs will result in generic and irrelevant outreach without any creativity or adaptability. Not gonna lie, I see what they're saying. We see in cases of AI agents drifting away in conversations and people jailbreaking them. That is not wrong, but like I said, I'll share my honest opinion in a bit. Second point made by Copy.ai is that every company is unique, and currently AI is not advanced enough to handle all different companies because each business has their own unique intricacies. According to Copy.ai, AI cannot take over complex human-created workflows, or it can, but it will not replicate great results. In other words, AI will only result in copy-pasted emails without any authenticity. The second point has me looking like this. Like I said, I'll elaborate later on, but all I'm gonna say is that I feel like Copy.ai uses different AI tools than I do, because the tools I use can easily handle complex tasks. Okay, third argument by Copy.ai as to why AI SDRs are poo-poo. You can't outsource strategy. What Copy.ai is trying to say is that you can't rely solely on AI SDRs to do everything for you. There are a lot more intricacies in sales that can be solved just with AI. AI can't identify buying intent changes, personalize offers based on your prospect goals, or build relationship with your leads. Again, I'm not sure if I agree, but let's carry on. Last point by Copy.ai is that AI is cold and distant. It can't foster greater relationships, and it lacks critical thinking. And lack of emotions can result in embarrassing moments, wrong timing, and other hiccups. That's what Copy.ai has to say about AI SDRs. Okay, I have a lot to share. First of all, Copy.ai is smart because they mentioned that AI is bad if you rely on it to do everything. And that's the most important part. The misconception in this industry is that AI agents should and will replace everyone. No. At least in our company, Salesforge, AI is there to work alongside humans to help us complete tasks rather than replace our teammates. Think about it. We have a couple of SDRs in our team. Why would we create an AI agent that would replace Sneha's funny memes and Lucas' beautiful mustache? We wouldn't, because our AI agent Frank isn't there to replace anyone. Agent Frank is there to become an irreplaceable part of your sales team, automating majority of the sales tasks, working alongside your SDRs, and helping you scale without additional headcount. Another thing I disagree with is that AI is generic, irrelevant, and follows a cookie-cutter approach, basically blasting the same template to different prospects. Again, not sure what AI agents Copy.ai has tried, but that's literally not the outcome you'd get if you tried Agent Frank. And I mentioned Agent Frank because that's my point of reference. I myself send thousands of emails, and Salesforge's AI feature is a great representation of how Agent Frank would work. The emails generated by AI depend solely on its inputs. If AI agent knows about your company, targeted audience, pains, desires, cost of inaction, FAQs, and other information, then AI will generate great emails, great replies. On top of that, if you allow AI to scrape data about your prospects, see their website, LinkedIn page, then it will be able to personalize everything, subject line, email, even the follow-ups. But if you just go to ChatGPT and say, write me a cold email, of course the results will be bad. AI has always been and will likely always be about inputs. Poop in, poop out. Gold in, gold covered with diamonds out. Also, I'd say AI is a lot better than most of us humans at timing or buying intent identification. I cannot scan companies 24/7. I cannot see their LinkedIn posts, fundraisings. I cannot monitor which lead has visited my website, how long they spent on my website. I cannot do all of that. I cannot reply to leads in seconds or minutes because I'm busy. I have other stuff to do. That's why you can and should use AI to do those things. And you definitely don't need human touch to find and source leads with the most buying intent. You definitely don't need human touch to sift through company documents and find an answer to your prospect questions. The human touch comes after everything. During the sales call, during the onboarding, during the partnership. AI SDRs aren't built to run your whole business. AI SDRs are there to automate the most tedious tasks to free up your time. So you'd have enough minutes in your day to include your precious creativity and human touch in your brand voice. The AI is there to automate what you've been doing all this time. That's what Agent Frank is about, being a part of your team, not replacing them. And one more thing I thought about when writing the script. Yes, most successful SDRs might be better than AI, but most of us aren't. Most of us don't have thousands of hours of sales knowledge in our brain. So while apps like Salesforge do lower the barrier of entry for cold email, it doesn't really lower the barrier for great results. You still need to learn a ton, follow the best email sending practices, know the psychology of selling, and a lot more other stuff. So for most teams, AI SDRs like Agent Frank can and will be an irreplaceable part of their sales team, taking care of lead sourcing and writing copy based on your company's information, based on your leads data. And when it's time, AI Agent will hand over everything to your top SDRs. And if you're the top salesman, Agent Frank can still help you out because you can simply tell Agent Frank to always wait for your confirmation before sending out any emails. Meaning if the generated email is good, great! Agent Frank has saved you hours writing copy, you just hit send. And if the email is bad, well, you can edit it yourself, give Agent Frank feedback, or ask it to rewrite the email. Simple as that. So instead of looking at things as if it's black and white, I suggest you take a peep at Salesforge AI features. I suggest you book a demo about Agent Frank to see how it could help you and avoid writing off tools at your first hiccup. Subscribe and peace.